HIV rates among gay men are higher in South, study finds. More than a quarter of gay and bisexual men in some cities and states in the South are living with HIV, according to a new study, a far higher rate than in the country as a whole. The study shows how much more common HIV, the virus that causes AIDS, is among gay black men, especially in the South, as well as how little is being done to prevent its spread in a group whose members face discrimination and are less likely to have medical insurance. Gay men with insurance are more likely to be in treatment if they are infected or to be using pre-exposure prophylaxis if they are not, both of which significantly cut the chances that an infection will be passed on. There are just not enough services, said Dr. Ronaldo Valdaisri, an AIDS expert at the Bloomberg School of Public Health of Johns Hopkins University, who wrote an editorial accompanying the study. It's not just medical care, it's housing, employment, vocational rehabilitation and transportation, Dr. Valdaisri said. These individuals are fairly vulnerable, and there aren't enough assets to cope with their illness. The study, by epidemiologists at Emory University in Atlanta, was published online Tuesday in a relatively obscure outlet, the Journal of Medical Internet Research, Public Health and Surveillance. But it was accompanied by a second editorial by top AIDS specialists at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. In South Carolina and Mississippi, the study estimated 28% of gay and bisexual men are infected with HIV. In Louisiana, the estimated infection rate is 26%, and in Georgia, 25%. In Washington, D.C., which resembles a city more than a state in its demographics, it was even higher, 32%. The lowest estimated infection rate was in South Dakota, where less than 4% of gay and bisexual men are infected. Among states that have particularly large gay populations, California's estimated infection rate is 17%, Florida's 18% and New York's 20%. The trend was even more pronounced in cities. Researchers counted only men who had received an HIV diagnosis. The statewide figures relied on estimates, and consulted previous data on how much of each city's population was gay and sexually active. Then the researchers calculated which 25 cities had the highest infection rates among those men. In Jackson, Miss, that figure was 39%, in Columbia, South Carolina, 30%, in El Paso, almost 29%, and in Augusta, Georgia, 27%. 21 of the top 25 cities were in the South.